Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm going to be making pizzelle with beets. Okay, I'm going to show you what I did with beets, which I cooked them earlier today. And I just cooked them in plain water because I knew I was going to be making pizzelle today. So I just grind them like nice and smooth, which I have them here. Then I have wine, flour, extra virgin olive oil, and all the spices. And all the ingredients, they will be down below this video. So I'm gonna plug in my pizzelle maker and I'm gonna start adding the wine. It smells good, this white wine. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the beets, the olive oil, and this is sea salt. Okay, here I have garlic powder, a teaspoon of Italian spice, it's a teaspoon of each, and chili pepper. Okay, so I'm just gonna add them at once. I'm gonna start adding the flour. I'm gonna mix as I go. They are really delicious. It takes nothing to make the mixture, but it takes time to make the pizzelle. In the meantime, when you make them, they disappear in no time because they are really yummy. And oops, and you just put a teaspoon full, depends on your pizzelle maker. Okay. There, in the circle, and you just press it down, and you wait. It takes about a minute for this pizzelle here, for this machine. Yeah, they're done. And I made myself a stick, like that. Don't they look nice? Beautiful. Can you put one of these? They're so hot. I'll make another couple. And actually, this is the way the recipe is. It takes time to make them, so you can do them on your own after. So I'm going to make this other two, so you can put them up here to cool off. So I'm going to continue on my own, okay? And I hope you enjoyed today's video, and you will make them the way I'm making them now. Until next time, ciao for now.